So before we click buy or sell on any trade, whether it's a currency pair, whether it's stocks or whatever, we've got to think like investors really, because what's happening there is that we're putting money into whatever it is that we're trading. So when you're selling something, you're actually putting money, saying that it's going to depreciate, and when you're buying, you're saying it's going to appreciate. So before you click on buy or sell, think to yourself, what is it that persuades you, that convinces you that this thing that you are buying or selling is actually going to go into your direction, right? That is why we actually use this cheat sheet in order to create a reliable trade idea. Number one, we think to ourselves, especially when it comes to currency trading, we think to ourselves, where is the currency in its economic cycle, right? Is the currency expanding? I mean, is that country's economy expanding? Is it contracting? Is it booming? Where is it? Where's the GDP? Where's employment? Where are the earnings, right? And really, these actually point us to where the big money is actually going to be putting money, like your banks, your market makers, and all that. These are the pointers that actually point to us where these guys are going to put money in. And after doing these analysis, this in-depth fundamental analysis, not like your PPI, your CPI, or your, all those events, but actually looking at all these things, it actually gives us direction to where the currency is going to go in the medium to long term, whether this country is actually cutting or hiking interest rates, and all these things actually contribute to whether the currency is actually going to appreciate or it's actually going to depreciate, right? And then we move on to our technicals, right? And as we move on to our technicals, we ask ourselves a few questions, right? As I have indicated here, where is the currency? Is it at a discount or expensive prices? That is why you always hear traders say buy low and sell high. So we do this in our charts. We see where is that currency, and if we know that this currency, the economy is actually expanding, and we see that the currency is actually at a premium, it's actually at a discount price, we can then buy comfortably, knowing that we've got fundamentals on our side. We look at supply or demand traders. We look at where are the majority traders trading, where are they going to lose money, and where are these strategies actually going to lose, right? And we actually ask ourselves, how are we actually going to take advantage of these strategies? So before we take any trade, we actually have to think about it, think thoroughly about it, because we are actually investing money in these trades.